National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for Marion County, northern Morrow County, southern Crawford County, southern Wyandotte County until 10 p.m. At 4 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Radar rainfall estimates of 1 to 3 inches of rain has fallen. An additional 1 to 3 more inches is expected through 6 p.m. Locations impacted include Mount Gilead, Marion, Morrow, Marcells. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile. The National Weather